Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna go to sleep early. It's barely 10:30 or 2 minutes. It's about to be. So I was watching a movie called Catch Me If You Can by Leonardo DiCaprio and some other actors. But you know how everybody knows Leonardo DiCaprio. No, I can't even say it right because I'm messed up. But yeah, it's why Catch Me If You Can. It's a movie from 2002. I didn't even know about it. This like basically started his own career. I'm like, damn, man, you lucky. Like, I do like acting myself, but I've never been like in a whole group setting, and learning that much multiple lines that he did. And I have never done that, so I only done my own stuff. But I recommend you guys watch it. If you guys watch this video, then the links below. You just gotta click it and play it, and just watch it. It's like 2 hours and how many 2 hours and 20 minutes. Like literally, you'll love it. I loved it. I was about to cry too. I'm like, damn, this fool did a lot of shit. It's like if you're a teenager, you'll understand. Like you want to do this, but this was back in the days. You can't do this no more. I'm like, that shit's crazy. But check.